I'm gonna get some pancakes.
Hey, my name's Chris Revest. I'm not a chef, but probably neither are you. Welcome to the Revestaurant. Biatch! Hey, what's up? It's Sunday morning and I'm making my weekly pancakes. But first, I need to make a couple components. I have some butter and I have some honey from a hive I was lucky enough to attend last summer. And I'm just gonna throw it in. And then I'll throw my butter in. Honey butter. Very floral. Lovely. Honey butter. This is simply to go on top. Now, this recipe is a little bit different than most pancake recipes in that you throw all the shit together and you fucking put it in a pan and whip it up, right? I like to do a little souffle technique so it gets those fat stacks. My pancake recipe goes as such. 12 pancakes. I go a cup, and then I go 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, throw a pinch of salt, and then like 2 tablespoons of sugar. I throw my other cup at it, and I just sift it. Wet ingredients include 2 eggs, but a little bit different on this shit. Separate the whites. The whites go into the mixer with the whisk. Stiff peaks. The yolks get 2 cups of buttermilk. And then just to brighten up the pancakes, I like to throw lemon zest at it. It plays really nice with my blueberries that I just like to dump over all my pancakes at the end. And then just to top it off, we're gonna go some of the Yucatan's finest little vanilla. Stiff peaks. Then I just like to do. Okay, so you have this like batter that's it's not totally beating the shit out of. You don't want to overwork your batter. You want like lots of air and stuff in there. And so then I just like take the stiff peaks, just like a shaka souffle. I fold it in lightly, folding. Not beating the shit out of it. You want this dough to rest for like 10 minutes. So then I just got some hot maple syrup. I got my pan. It's been heating on the lowest setting it'll go. See what happens. Just like grandma taught you, wait till there's bubbles. These things smell so good. And then you just there you go. Bacon, anyone?
Clean your plate, motherfucker. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the starving chili. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the starving chili. Clean your plate, motherfucker. Think about the starving chili. Clean your plate, motherfucker.